games on a Thursday night in the NBA. This is the best of the best. Your top 10 plays on NBA.com. Here's number 10. Gordon Hayward on the break, splitting his defenders, drawing the foul, and somehow flipping it in over his head for the and one. 21 points, 8 rebounds, and a top 10 play for Gordon Hayward to get things started off. That's number 10. Here's number 9. Stephen Curry taking the pass and, that's right, throwing it down for his first 2-point field goal of the night. Well, he's making his usual appearance in the top 10, but not usually in slam dunk fashion. Here's number 8. Matthew Dellavedova driving, throwing the alley-oop to Tristan Thompson, who throws it down in traffic. Delly to Tristan, who notched yet another double-double, as the Cavs can't quite outlast the Spurs, but Tristan made those two count. Here's number 7. With time winding down in Utah, Rudy Gay pulling up and gets it to go. And that would do it for the Kings. Just seconds after Joe Ingles hit the game-tying shot on the other end of the floor, Rudy does this. And that would do it. Here's number 6. Danny Green missing the shot, but Kawhi Leonard flying in for the putback slam. Perhaps this, take a look one more time, the reason they call him the Claw? 20 points, 10 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 blocks, and a top 10 play. Here's number 5. Trey Lyles faking the pass and spinning, and that's right, no fear, throwing it down over DeMarcus Cousins. You don't see that very often. Here's number 4. Ish Smith leading the break here, spinning away from his defender, throwing the lob, and Nerlens Noel, that's right, would finish it on the other end of the floor. A hard-fought battle in Philadelphia. Ish Smith had 24 points and 8 assists, by the way. Here's number 3. Tony Parker weaving his way through the defense, splitting 2 defenders, and that's right, getting that reverse layup to go. San Antonio staying undefeated at home, led by Parker with 24. Now, how about Jimmy Butler? 53, but these two have to be some of the most impressive. Throwing it down over Jahlil Okafor, a career high for Jimmy Butler. And 53 points would tie Stephen Curry for the most points any NBA player has scored in a game this season, but it would be a game winner taking home this top spot. Now take a look here. The game tied in the dying seconds of regulation. Marc Gasol looking for Mario Chalmers on the break. He'd find him. Now Chalmers would lose control, get it back, get it up, and get it to fall. That's right, a monster night from Chalmers with 25 points, including those 2 exactly when they needed them. There he is with the top of your top 10 plays on NBA.com.